Yung nabunot ko po is si Kuya Josh po. Josh!
Give for Josh E. Yes.
May Noche Buena package.
Okay, Kuya Josh, buksan na natin yan.
Opening the box. That's a big box, you know.
Pwede, Alpaya, tumulong talaga
Ang
siya
hirap
sa
buksan.
pag-open.
Ayaw magpabukas.
That's a huge box. 18.
Yeah, Josh. Kuya.
Ako daw pag-chant ng Kuya Josh, sige.
Everyone's screaming Kuya Josh. Kuya Josh. That's amazing.
Bastos kayo ah. Kuya Josh.
Ito na.
Oh.
Ano siya?
Okay.
Kakulay mo. May message. May your Christmas be sweet, warm, and full of maliligayang memories. Whoever gets this gift.
Wow!
Wow! Hilig ko to! Chocolates!
Ayun yung inaano.
Oh, chocolate. Josh's favorites. Okay.
And ito,
Favorite mo yan, di ba?
Gusto niya yan.
camera! Film camera! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! And
Disposable camera.
dami!
Ay, wow!
Sobrang thoughtful naman ito.
Wow, look at that.
Actually, kakulay mo siya ngayon.
Thank you! Thank you so much!